social distancing got you down, we'll watch this video for some fun. I mean, who wants to be bored at home? This is at least a little bit interesting. Hey everybody, this is Kelly from Nerdgasmic Adventures, and today we took a hike around our neighborhood because, well, to be honest, we're supposed to be social distancing, and I know I say it with some disdain, but we took Chauncey out and flew him around here. We went a couple places. I ran the battery out of Chauncey, which wasn't my best move, but it was a very interesting thing to do. We had to go search for him because he landed in the desert, but we thought we'd come outside and kind of be out in the sun a little bit more because I'm getting stir crazy. hike today was only about a mile, and it was all right. Chauncey was struggling with the wind. Those Mavic minis have some struggles because they're light, so they don't hold up well against the wind. And we kind of live on a ridge that heads into Tucson, but we're about 1,000 feet higher, maybe 500, I'm not sure, but we're higher than Tucson where we're at, and the wind will hit here strong while it will seem like there's no wind there. I mean, I was flying him up at 7,000 feet the other day, and there wasn't much wind, and he flew great. I would have suspected there's more wind there.